Tabs are very important to make a very professional and clear document. If I type A and press space B, C and space D, usually they are not in exact same column. If I zoom in, you will see they are not in exact position. Maybe here not so visible, yet usually it's happen. Especially if I type I, you see, it is coming and moving. And you have no more control, and if I start typing, they will push each other. In this cases, we're using tab. A, press tab from your keyboard, which it is in the left side of your keyboard, top of the caps lock. B, C, and D. Now, if I select my text, go to the paragraph settings, and in the very bottom left side, the tabs button, we have the tab default values for stopping. By default, it is half an inch, which it is 1.27 centimeter. I could increase it and say OK. You see, now the value is changed. I'm going to paragraph and tabs again, and let's say 1.27 again. We have alignment and leader. Just as an example, if I choose dots and press OK, nothing happened, and there is no dots here because we have to set the values. I click and go to tabs. I set the tab stop position here first, let's say 6 centimeter. By default, our measurement will change to the centimeter default stop units. And I set dots and set. Now, OK. What happened? You see this icon here? I shown you on the ruler previous course. This is the tab stop position. I could even continue E tab F. But if I click here and press tab again, nothing special happens, right? Just and tab and nothing. We could actually define several tab stops. I'm going to paragraph settings, tabs, and to not get confused, it is very important. I realize many people don't understand exactly how working. I set 4 centimeter and let's say dashes set. Note that the 6 centimeter is pushed down and top it is 4. Okay. What's happened? The last one actually, because it was top, defined the first tab. And note that if I go into the tabs again, check it out here. First tab 4 centimeter, and next one, it is not actually going 6 centimeter. Look at here. It is stops on the 6 centimeters distance, not relative. It is absolute. So if I clear all and set 3 centimeter dots set, and next one set up 5 and dash and set and OK. Check it out here. The orders here are changed like 3 and 5. If I clear and do opposite, 3 dots set and 5 dashes set and OK. Because the first value was smaller, they are not set by the order. So the first value on the top always is smallest value. Note that. Look at here. I set 2. I set 4. Going next. 6. Going next. But if I set 6, then set 4, look at here, it is going top. So it is not based on your order entering and setting. It is based on your values. The smallest value, it is the first value. First tab stop. The largest value is the last. For instance, I set 10. Set is going very bottom. Now I set 2 is going very top. So don't confuse. It is not based on your order setting. It is based on your value size. I clear. And note that it is not increasing, for example, 2, 2, 2. If I set 2 and again 2, nothing happened. It is not adding after 2 cm next 2 cm. No, it is absolute value from very beginning of your ruler, or better to say margin. So I set for first one, let's say 4 cm dots set, and next one 8, and actually, yeah, next one 8 and dashes set, and I set the default tab stop 2, and okay. So first one 4 cm, next one went to the 8. I press tab A, B, C, and what's happened after that? 2 cm, 2 cm, and 2 cm. After the second tab, which was set 8, if I press tab, and again, look at on the tab stops. Look at here, 4, then going to 8. After that, it's set and jumping based on your default tab stops. So that's the rules.